We can hear the monkeys right now. They're like making a ton of noise. So hopefully we'll see. Oh my gosh, I can see him. He's like swinging from the top of his little hut there. Oh, it's starting to warm up right now. It's like really, really nice. It's definitely, we still have on like our like sweatshirts, but it's definitely a lot warmer than it was yesterday. So that's really good. Oh my gosh, I just spotted a little guy. Oh, look at him. Oh, look how tiny. There he goes. Oh, he's so tiny. Do you see him? He's a little guy. Oh my gosh! Here comes a guy over here. This guy's really swinging. His friend's coming now.
One guy laying down taking a nap with a mosquito.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice him! Oh my goodness. Now this guy's coming to see him. He's like, hello. Yeah, look, he's just, oh, he's giving him a kiss. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. He had to come wake up the friend. I know, the baby was swinging all around. Oh my God.
Here, sniff this.
Oh, they're gonna groom each other. Oh, there's 3 up there, I think.
Let me get that.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, look.
Now he's sniffing it.
So we're here in Asia, and from this little cart here they have these fries that they're supposed to be like known for. We heard a lot of good reviews that it's a great little snack. So my dad's in line right now and we're gonna have that and we're gonna try it out. It sounds really good. So it's right here at this little cart in Asia. They also have this one over here which has, what'd you say they have that was good here, Mom?
The beef sliders.
Beef sliders. So yeah, they got like some cool little like street food and cool things. Yeah, he's gonna get that and then we're gonna go find a spot to sit down and try it. We're off in the search of a nice quiet spot to sit and have our fries. So I think we're gonna head up this way because the other day we saw like a nice private area that like no one was sitting in. It was this huge seating area. So we're gonna try to go and have our little snack there. Oh, look at that, isn't that just beautiful? Yeah, right here, this place, there's like this whole really nice seating area. Perfect. Okay, so here is the fries. Do they have a like official name?
It was Mr. Kamal's.
Mr. Kamal's.
Seasoned
seasoned fries.
And with the tzatziki salad.
Tzatziki salad.
And we got the sriracha sauce on the
on
side.
the side. Because yeah, that could get a little spicy.
They usually put that on top.
On top with it. Ooh. All right, we're gonna try them out. So we just finished the fries. They were incredible. The fries, just even on their own, they're seasoned fries and they were like fresh and hot. Oh, they were so good. The tzatziki slaw, like the salad that was on top, that was also excellent. We were super glad we did go with the sriracha on the side because it was hot. I tried a couple with the sriracha. It's definitely hot. So if you don't really like a lot of hot or a lot of spiciness on your food, definitely ask for that one on the side. But yeah, this was like, I would get this again in a heartbeat. It was so good. And actually right now my dad just went back to that same cart because we're still a little bit hungry. We want another little snack and we saw they had the falafel and we were watching the people when we were standing there come back across with the falafel there and it looked like incredible. So that's what he's going to get right now and we're excited to try that. And my mom just looked up, what is falafel? What is it?
Middle Eastern dish, and it's smashed chickpeas.
Okay.
In the bowls, deeply fried, and then they say they usually eat it with like pita bread or something like that. But they have a tzatziki sauce that you dip it in. It's really good.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love chickpeas. Are like my favorite thing. Like I will at home just open a can of chickpeas and eat them plain. So if that has chickpeas in it, okay, I'm like loving falafel already. So we will try that.
Switching out my chair.
The falafel has arrived. So here it is. So it is the fried chickpeas mixture, and then we have the tzatziki sauce. Is that what that is?
Yes.
Yes, tzatziki sauce. The cross section, I have to show this. So this is what it looks like on the inside. These are incredible. They are like so good, and they do have a little bit of like a kick of heat to it, but like still they are incredible. We are really enjoying it. This was a very good choice. I would get both these items again that we got from that place, the fries and then this falafel, right? That's what we're having. This falafel, it is like, it's so good. My parents said it kind of reminds them of like a hush puppy, and it does. It has like that kind of consistency to it. Very good. And I love the sauce. The tzatziki sauce is like excellent, and that kind of helps cool it down as well, that tzatziki. That was like the best snack ever, like for us all to share. And like my parents just said, that was like, it came to like $10 for both those items. So it's a really good, like reasonable snack that you can get here, and I filled us all up for right now. Yeah, to hold us over until we have another meal somewhere. Yeah, so right now we're gonna go into the Creature Comforts, which is their Starbucks here, to get our water. That's always our tip, is get the free filtered water that they offer in Starbucks. It looks like the train's in the station right now. Yes, we're gonna take the train over to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and we haven't done this in a while. I don't think we did it last month when we were here, so this will be fun. There goes the train. Here's our train.
That's pretty cool. Right there, right there. Oh, sorry, I'll look you up next time. It must be out on safari.
These guys are like super cute. Oh my gosh. I love those little tamarin things. Like, they're so cute. I just want them as like a little pet. I mean, they're orange like Mickey, so they probably get along.
Alright, now I've seen Jamie run before and she doesn't run that fast. So if you catch her, she will still give you a button as our way of saying thank you for saving endangered species today. She's slowly rolling away with the buttons and the cart. If you want to make see something in there.
Somebody in that one?
In there.
Oh yeah, I kind of see somebody hiding out in there. They even have Christmas decorations. Look at this guy. He's just hanging out in the tree.
I don't see a snake.
Do you see the lizard though? Or black monitor?
I saw him.
Black tree monitor.
No, there it is.
Oh, you see?
Down there.
It's all curled up. Look at these things. Do you see them? They're like clinging to the sides of the glass.
Leaf-tailed gecko.
That's awesome. Oh, there he goes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but these guys are awesome. That is like fascinating to me. Yeah, it is like a suction cup. Oh.
Look at us.
Hi guys. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, did you see the piggies? Oh. Yeah, this is new. They now have pigs in here.
They're just lying there.
They're just sunning themselves.
Enjoying being petted.
Oh.
Aww.
That is so cute.
It's like, this is the life.
This is the life.
You brush me all day.
Aww. Yeah, look at the donkeys.
Tell me when to open my eyes.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, sweetie. Aw, you're cute. Aw. Hey. Oh, look at her. Look at it. Oh my gosh. This is so cute.
Which one? The one up on the thing. Yeah.
Bonk.
Right now, this cat sheep coming in this year.
Oh, look at him standing up on his pedestal.
Built on stilts to protect the villagers who live inside of them from flooding due to monsoon rains or any wild creatures that might want to visit at night.
That's cool. Look at the buttons. Can you imagine living in that?
That was pretty neat. I couldn't get my camera out in time, but right there from the Flights of Wonder, they just had all these parrots just like flew all the way across and they went that direction. That was awesome. But yeah, right now we are heading back to Asia to the trek to see hopefully the baby tiger cubs. Hopefully they came back out, so I'm hopeful. I really want to see them. Yeah, this guy's out now. Yeah, he's really active. Oh my gosh. Hey, how are you? Oh my gosh, yeah, I've never seen him that active. Hi. Oh, what a cutie. You're so cute. Taking poses. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. That was so cool because that guy last time we were in this truck a couple hours ago, he wasn't out yet for the day. So now they brought him on out. Yes, here we go. There's the signs pointing towards tigers. So hopefully they're out too. That gave me hope. If that guy was then brought back out, maybe the tiger, mom tiger and all the cubs will be out. Judging by the amount of people all standing around up here, I think it's safe to say they're here.
Yes, the cubs will be out with the mom until she goes in. Now, she knows exactly where they're at and sleeping. We just can't see them. Like and stuff, they're 4 months old. When they play, they crash. So when she feeds them, they're crashing right now.
There's the mom right there.
So since they still feed from their mom. So they will be sleeping up against the fountain. Is my best bet is where they're at. Until she starts moving around, they will stay there and sleep. Yes. This is her first litter.
The mom just woke up. Oh my gosh, she's standing up. Where is she gonna come out?
They're actually probably sleeping along the fountain that you can't see them.
She just moved to sort of see where she laid.
You can't see them. This is watching tigers. This is the mom and the cubs. The cubs you cannot see. The mom is behind that tree right there in front of us.
You can see her really good this way. She's sitting up now. Yeah.
Oh, there it is! I see it! I see it! It's right there!
Let's see other people see.
Oh my god, it's right there! It's so right there! I saw the tiger now! See him in the woods?
She's so pretty.
Did you guys see a different one up top?
No. It was too crowded.
Oh.
I see him.
She's turning her head back. Okay, so the cast member up there, they're definitely out this time. So you can see the mom. She's hanging out over there by that tree. And the cast member was saying, like, you know, she always puts the babies in like a safe spot. And she says right now she has them, they're right just beyond that fountain. So we cannot see them. But she said that the babies will stay sleeping there until the mom comes to get them. So the mom woke up. And so we're hoping that she will, like, you know, she'll come over and come get the babies and like we'll see some action. But see, there's the mom and the babies are just beyond there, but we can't see them from where we're at. No luck. They were there this time. We saw the mom for a little bit, but she was just kind of hanging out there. She didn't get up and go get the babies, so I think the babies were probably just asleep back there. So this time they were out there, but we didn't get to see them still. So this trip though, we gotta make it happen.
I think that might fix it.
So it was such a fun morning at Animal Kingdom, and now we are heading over to Epcot. We have some fast passes there, and then yeah, we kind of just want to hang out, maybe have some more food around the world or something, or we were looking at maybe some reservations, or we're not really sure yet. It's kind of up in the air, so yeah, it will be fun. And then we might also want to walk over to like the boardwalk and like Yacht and Beach Club area, and maybe like see their decorations and stuff, because that's the boardwalk, or is it Beach Club? I think it's Beach Club is the one that has the gingerbread carousel and stuff. So yeah, so that's gonna be our night. We're excited about it. So right now we're heading to go get our car here in the parking lot.
Alright, so at this time, no further boarding, guys. No further boarding. So for the guests who are on board, please remain seated with the doors closed.
So on our way to Epcot, we made a pit stop here at the Swan and Dolphin. Look, they have their Christmas display set up. That is so cool. We're gonna go inside of the boardwalk. They have a gingerbread display set up this year. Oh, and it's the boardwalk. They have the ESPN Club, the Boardwalk Bakery.